garlic, honey, and coffee, a natural power drink for peak performance. Have you ever felt exhausted at the end of the day, lacking the energy you need to truly connect with your partner? What if I told you there's a simple, natural remedy that can recharge your body and mind overnight? You probably already have the ingredients in your kitchen. Let's dive into a powerful beverage that blends garlic, honey, and coffee, a surprising combination with incredible benefits. Why this unlikely trio? Before we get into the recipe, let's answer an important question. Why mix these ingredients? Garlic. Known for its health-boosting properties, garlic improves blood circulation and boosts stamina. Coffee. A natural energizer. Coffee stimulates your senses and keeps you alert. Honey. This golden nectar adds natural sweetness, enhances endurance, and even helps you sleep better. The recipe, step-by-step guide. Ready to prepare this powerful drink? Here's how to make it. 1. Garlic preparation. Take 3 cloves of garlic. Peel them and crush them finely using a grater or a garlic press. 2. Mix with coffee. Add 1 spoonful of coffee powder to the crushed garlic. Mix them well on a plate. 3. Add lemon juice. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice from 1/2 into the garlic coffee mixture. Stir everything thoroughly. 4. Combine with hot water. Pour a cup of hot water into the mixture and stir it vigorously. Cover the cup and let it sit for about 30 minutes. 5. Strain the mixture. After 30 minutes, take a fresh cup and a small sieve. Pour the mixture through the sieve to remove any solid particles, ensuring you get a smooth liquid. 6. Sweeten with honey. Add 2 spoonfuls of honey to the strained mixture. Stir until the honey is fully dissolved. When and how to drink it. For the best results, drink this mixture about 30 minutes before bedtime. Why at night? Because this allows your body to absorb all the nutrients while you rest, helping you wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day or night. The benefits, what can you expect? You might be wondering, does it really work? Imagine having sustained energy, improved stamina, and a stronger connection with your partner, all from a simple, natural drink. The combination of garlic, coffee, and honey not only boosts your physical energy, but also enhances overall well-being. Try it yourself. Why rely on artificial supplements when nature provides everything you need? Give this drink a try and see the results for yourself. You might just be amazed. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this natural remedy, hit that like button and subscribe for more wellness secrets. Don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay updated. Share this video with someone who needs an energy boost. You might just change their life. Check out our other videos for more natural health solutions. Until next time, here's to your enhanced vitality and well-being.